Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to some more advanced settings of the camera, and now let's focus on this button from the left with the camera frame. This is the aspect ratio here. Now it is 4:3 ratio. When I tap on this, I can easily change this to 1:1. As you can see, the camera preview has changed it to the square one. Another tap goes as to full frame, full ratio of this camera, and this is how it looks like. When we tap on this once again, we go to 16:9 ratio, and this is how it looks like. And just another tap, and we go to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.